Hello and welcome to Clockwork Funnels. Now in this video, I'm going to be giving you an idea of the flow for what you're going to be creating and for what the customer is going to actually experience. Now we will be going into all of these things in detail for you to be able to create them for yourself, but you do want to have an idea in general about what's going to happen and about what you're trying to accomplish. Now in Clockwork Funnels, the key piece is for you to be able to create deadlines for your offers. And so you'll be coming into a screen to create a deadline, whether it's a fixed one, whether it's one that's going to be based on days, or whether it's one that's going to be based on minutes. You're going to be doing that, and then you're going to be giving your customer a link that they can go to before the deadline and a link that they can go to after the deadline. Now, once you do that, then you're going to be able to customize the clock that's actually going to appear on the page that they're going to be landing on. And you're going to be doing this and customizing it. You're going to be getting a code in some cases. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick up a link that you're going to actually be giving to your customers, which is this one. You'll also be creating a code for your emails. And this will actually go inside of the HTML code in your autoresponder. Now you'll be taking that clock that we just talked about and you'll be putting it into one of our hosted pages, as you see here, or on your own page using HTML code. Once you've done that, what's going to happen is that customer is going to actually come to the page that you created. You can see the clock there. And when they land on this page, they're going to be coded with Infinity technology so that your link will be following them every place that they go on the internet. Of course, you'll also be able to use HTML code. You'll be putting this inside of your emails, just as we talked about. You can see the code here. And then it's going to appear in your emails when they actually go out. So when your emails hit your customer's box, they're going to have this countdown clock counting down in real time. You are also going to be creating an inventory calendar. And as you can see, you'll be able to dictate the words. You'll be able to say there are now, and then this will be system generated, and that amount left. It's going to look something like this. There are now 87 left. And then what's going to happen is you're going to be putting these two codes on specific pages, both the tracking code and success code. And what your customer is actually going to see is going to be dictated by the clock that you put on there. When you click submit, and then what your customer will actually see on their page, as you're seeing here in the editor, they're going to see this on their actual page, that there are now 87 left. And this is an actual page that we created inside of our system. And you would actually be able to show these numbers in real time. So as they decrease, the number decreases. Your customer will see that they only have a certain amount of time before they can get to the offer that you are rapidly seeing decreasing in front of their eyes. So that is the general flow of Clockwork Funnels. We're going to be getting into the actual nuts and bolts of how you create these things in these tutorial videos. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.